today we'll discuss about the C++ input and output functions, how we can do it. So for that we have to input the header file, and the header file is called include iostream.h. It is the header file of C++, and all the libraries are included here. So now we have to type using namespace std. So using namespace std also should be included in C++ file, otherwise the program will not be executed. Then we are going to our main function called int main. If we try to input a file, we have to declare a variable called t. Suppose we are taking t. So for that we are typing int n. In C++ we have to type cin for input, just like scanf in C. If we want to input a file, we have to type cin, and the syntax is cin then t. So now if we want to print that variable called t, we have to type cout. Cout is a printf function for C++, and the syntax is cout then t. So now if we run the compiler, we will input a variable and then print it. So it will take some time, and here if we type 3 as an input, the output will be 3. So it works. Then now if we want to keep a new line, just like C, we will type end L. So it will put a end line in the code. So thank you everyone, see you next.